Hi, and welcome to this module on using rebates. Now, it is a great way to do promotion for your product or your services to use rebates. Now, having said that, there's a few things that must go on to using rebates. One of which is beware of the amount that you use to give rebates away. Now, if you use a 50% discount, that will necessarily generate a lot of interest and a lot of traffic, but also a lot of raising of eyebrows. Because in a sense, you're kind of telling how much money you're making. What is your profit margin? Because if you're willing to give away 50%, well, that means that you have some wiggle room within your pricing. Now, it might not necessarily be that you're doing a 50% increase. Maybe you're willing to lose some money on the item, but you're basically steering them in a certain direction. So be wary of the amount that you give. The other thing that you have to be wary about is how often you give rebates. Now, if you do this on a monthly basis, now what you can have is you can have a customer base that is going to develop the habit of waiting for those rebates to come around. So what you're essentially doing right now is you're training your customer base into another real or full value price will be now your rebate price because they are being given too often. The rebates or the promotion are too regular. So rather than having people buying at full price and sometimes having jumping on the rebate because maybe you have a stock that you want to try to get rid of or move quickly because they haven't moved, or you want to increase your businesses. But if you do that too regularly, then your regular price is becoming your rebate price. So be careful on frequency. Now, the other thing that I like to say to my clients is in order to get rid of the problem with respect to associating a price to a rebate and finding out your profit margin is to give something away. Now, a good example that I've seen is dentists. I do work with some dentists, and what they do is, for example, for every person that comes in for a certain amount of period, let's say for a month, with their checkup, they will receive a toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, whether you're a new client or no client. All right, so that could be one way of going around it. There's a lot of provider that will help you with that, so that could come at a very low cost or no cost to you. So it gets people excited, it doesn't reveal your profit margin, and it doesn't penalize your current customer base versus new clients. So that's another point that I'd like to talk to you about. When you do promotions or you organize rebates, make sure that you don't necessarily only organize them for your new clients. Okay, new clients promo, new clients rebates, new client pricing, and all that, because you may have your older customer base or your faithful customer base, which are feeling that they're being left out. So if you organize a promotion, make sure that it's a promotion that will get you new clients, because this is why we're doing the promotion, but also you don't penalize your older clients. So make sure that you're either giving them a rebate, something to get them happy, or the possibility of jumping onto the promotion as well. All right, so those are the points that are important when organizing promotion and using rebates. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact me. Thank you.